Hi everyone, today I'll be trading binary options, and I will do it for real money. No trick. As you can see, my account is verified without any demo sign. So today I'll be showing you how to trade on binary options. The playback will be accelerated once in a while. I'm doing this to save you time. If you're trading binary options, you should always have a strategy, which should be set before you start your trades. After my strategy is ready, I promise myself never to deviate from it. Never ever. Remember guys, the bet should always be made close to the expiration date. If the graph deviation is sharp and goes up or down, you should make a bet in the opposite direction. There's a high possibility that the rate will go there. Don't rush. It's one of my main principles in trading binary options. Give yourself 1 hour in the morning and make sure nobody distracts you. For several years, I have been working with binary options using this strategy, and it works. This strategy is called a martingale system. The main principle of this strategy is the fact that if you lose your bet, then the next bet should be 2.5 times more than the previous losing bet. For example, if I set and lost $100, that's my next bet must be $250. This binary option strategy reduces the risk of loss to a minimum because only one will cover all our previous losses. Once again, I would like to remind you that according to Martingale's system, which I am taking as a basis for my trading, if you won, you should make the amount of the initial stake again. In my case, it is $200. You can start with any stake. For example, if you do not have $2,000 on your deposit account like I do, but you have $100, you may start with $1, $2, $5, or $10 proportionally to the amount on your account. Of course, you will win more than half of the stakes if you analyze the graph correctly. I'm giving you a chance to try my binary option strategies and start earning a steady income in a few days. If to look at the stats, only 30% of traders earn big money in binary options. You must agree that the possibility is not small. I see no reason why you should not use it. Think about quitting your job, spending more time with family and friends, or traveling somewhere. The links are waiting for you in the description. Among them, there is a link for registration and receiving a bonus. Click now and you can receive a $100 bonus on your account. You will receive your bonus right after registration and a first deposit. There are also links which can help you to find me at social networks.